Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on February 25th and 26th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Chocolate Covered Nut Day. National Chocolate Covered Nut Day is a sweet indulgence that celebrates the delightful combination of nuts and chocolate, a pairing beloved by connoisseurs around the globe. This day, observed annually, is dedicated to enjoying the rich, decadent flavors that result when crunchy nuts meet the smooth, creamy texture of chocolate. From almonds and peanuts to hazelnuts and pecans, the variety of nuts covered in milk, dark, or white chocolate offers an endless array of taste sensations. It's a day for chocolate and nut lovers to revel in their favorite treats, exploring the myriad of options available, from artisanal hand-dipped creations to classic store-bought favorites. The celebration of National Chocolate Covered Nut Day is not just about indulgence, it also highlights the artistry behind crafting these confections and the joy of sharing them with loved ones. It encourages people to experiment with making their own chocolate-covered nuts at home, discovering the joy of customizing their treats with different chocolate coatings, nut choices, and even additional flavorings like sea salt or chili. This day is also an opportunity to support local chocolatiers and confectioners who masterfully blend the textures and flavors of nuts and chocolate. Whether enjoyed as a luxurious snack, a dessert garnish, or a thoughtful gift, chocolate-covered nuts represent a simple yet sophisticated pleasure that brings a touch of sweetness to the everyday. Let's All Eat Right Day. Let's All Eat Right Day is an annual observance dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of good nutrition and healthy eating habits. This day serves as a reminder of the profound impact that diet has on overall health, well-being, and quality of life. It encourages individuals, families, and communities to reflect on their eating patterns and to make conscious choices towards more balanced, nutrient-rich diets. The celebration emphasizes the principles of variety, moderation, and balance in dietary planning, promoting the consumption of a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The initiative for Let's All Eat Right Day goes beyond just one day of mindful eating. It aims to inspire long-term changes that lead to healthier lifestyles. Educational workshops, cooking demonstrations, and nutrition counseling sessions are often organized to provide practical advice, easy-to-follow tips, and creative ideas for preparing nutritious meals. This day also highlights the importance of understanding food labels, portion control, and the benefits of regular physical activity in conjunction with a balanced diet. By celebrating Let's All Eat Right Day, the message is clear: making informed food choices is a key step towards achieving and maintaining good health, and it's something that can be enjoyable and fulfilling for everyone involved. Quiet Day. Quiet Day is a serene observance dedicated to embracing silence, tranquility, and the art of being still in our fast-paced, often noisy world. This day invites individuals to step away from the constant hum of daily life, including technology, bustling work environments, and social chatter, to find peace and calm and quietness. It's an opportunity to appreciate the subtle sounds of nature, the quietude of early morning or late evening, and the internal stillness that comes from moments of solitude. Quiet Day encourages practices like meditation, mindfulness, reading, or simply sitting in a peaceful setting, allowing the mind and body to relax and recharge. The celebration of Quiet Day is a reminder of the power of silence in enhancing mental health, reducing stress, and improving focus and creativity. It underscores the importance of taking regular breaks from the sensory overload of our digital and urban environments to connect with our inner selves and the simpler aspects of life. This day is perfect for exploring quiet hobbies, enjoying a leisurely walk in a natural setting, or engaging in any activity that promotes a sense of calm and introspection. By observing Quiet Day, we acknowledge the need for balance between activity and rest, noise and silence, reminding us that in quiet moments, we often find our most profound insights and rejuvenate our spirits. National Pistachio Day. National Pistachio Day is a celebration dedicated to the versatile and delicious pistachio nut, enjoyed by millions around the world. Observed annually, this day honors not just the taste but also the nutritional benefits of pistachios, including their high protein, fiber, and antioxidant content. Pistachios are celebrated for their unique, slightly sweet flavor and vibrant green color, making them a popular ingredient in a variety of dishes, from savory spreads to sweet desserts like ice cream and pastries. The day encourages pistachio lovers to explore and share different ways to enjoy these nuts, whether they're eaten straight out of the shell as a healthy snack, incorporated into culinary creations, or used as a crunchy topping for salads and other dishes. It's also an opportunity to learn more about pistachio cultivation and the environmental aspects of pistachio farming. National Pistachio Day serves as a reminder of the joys of snacking on these nutritious nuts while also recognizing their contribution to culinary arts and healthy eating habits. Tell a Fairy Tale Day. Tell a Fairy Tale Day is a magical celebration that encourages the sharing and enjoyment of fairy tales, both classic and new. Observed annually, this day invites people of all ages to delve into the enchanting world of princes and princesses, mythical creatures, magical spells, and faraway kingdoms. It's a day dedicated to reigniting the imagination and reliving the wonder of childhood through storytelling. Whether it's through reading beloved tales from a book, narrating stories from memory, or creating new fairy tales, the day emphasizes the importance of storytelling in fostering creativity, moral lessons, and cultural traditions. This special day also highlights the role of fairy tales in teaching valuable life lessons through allegory and fantastical narratives. Fairy tales often contain themes of courage, kindness, determination, and resilience, offering not just entertainment but also wisdom to their audience. Libraries, schools, and community groups frequently organize fairy tale readings, puppet shows, and writing workshops, encouraging participants to engage with fairy tales in interactive and creative ways. Tell a Fairy Tale Day is a wonderful opportunity to connect with others through the timeless art of storytelling, sharing tales that have been passed down through generations and exploring new stories that continue to enchant and inspire. Letter to an Elder Day. Letter to an Elder Day is a heartfelt observance that promotes the age-old tradition of letter writing to express care, respect, and appreciation for the older generation. Celebrated annually, this day serves as a gentle reminder of the value and wisdom that elders bring to our lives and the importance of acknowledging their contributions and experiences. It encourages individuals to take a moment out of their busy lives to pen a thoughtful note, letter, or card to a senior family member, friend, or even residents in retirement homes and assisted living facilities who may not have frequent visitors. The act of writing a letter on this day goes beyond mere communication. It's a meaningful gesture of connection, offering comfort, joy, and a sense of belonging to many elders who might feel isolated or forgotten. These letters can range from expressions of gratitude and love to sharing personal updates or simply bringing a bit of cheer into their day. Letter to an Elder Day not only enriches the lives of recipients but also provides a reflective experience for the writers, allowing them to slow down, contemplate, and appreciate the enduring bonds between generations. This day underscores the beauty of written correspondence as a tangible token of affection that can be cherished and reread, bridging distances and bringing generations closer together. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.